Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have the right to view this Wi-Fi password. Do not proceed otherwise. Once done, check your Android version and make sure a secure lock screen is set, because sharing the password requires authorization. Next, open Settings and go straight to Network and Internet, then Wi-Fi, so you are ready to access saved networks. Make sure the device is unlocked and that you can authenticate. This is required to reveal credentials securely and legally. You now perform the main retrieval. If your phone runs Android 10 or later, open Saved Networks, pick the network, tap Share, authenticate with your PIN or biometrics, then read the password under the QR code or scan it with another device. If Share is unavailable, make sure you can access the router. Open a browser, go to 192.168.1.1, log in with the router admin account, and view the wireless settings to read the password. This alternative works without root. Finish by copying the revealed password exactly, then connect a second device to confirm access. If you cannot see the share option or the password is hidden, make sure you are using the device owner account and authenticated with your lock screen. Without that, Android will not reveal credentials. Once done, reboot the router or update Android if problems persist, and when in doubt, contact the network administrator for help. Only access passwords for networks you are permitted to use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.